For a given angle theta, come up with the equation of this straight line. So a straight line would be in the form of mx plus c. Well, you know the intercept will be 0 because it travels through the origin. So put 0 into the c, so it would be plus 0. But plusing 0 is like nothing. So the equation so far is mx, but we need to work out the gradient m. To work out the gradient m, imagine you've got a circle of radius 1. We need to develop a way of working out this gradient. What is the gradient of this line for a given angle? So imagine you've got a circle of radius 1. This height here will be, well, imagine you've got a right angle triangle here, which we have from here to the origin, to here. So this is our right angle triangle here. We know this has a radius of 1 and an angle theta. Therefore, we can work out the height. Let's call it x. So sine, so this would be sine. So you sine the angle equals x over 1. X over 1 is just x. So basically this height here would be sine the angle. So what that means is if you have a circle of radius 1 and you want to know the height of this thing, you just need to sine the angle. It will give you the height. Now use the same method to work out the horizontal distance. So let's call this x. Let's try and work out x. So we've got a circle of radius 1. So using the same right angle triangle, the radius is 1, the angle is theta, we need to work out this. Well, this length here is cos. So cos the angle equals x over 1. So basically this length here is cos theta. So what we have so far is if you know the angle, then the height will be sine theta, sine the angle. The length here will be cos the angle, whatever the angle may be. So the excuse me. So the gradient would be this. The gradient would be the height divided by the across. So this is your gradient. The gradient would be the height divided by the cross. The height divided by the cross. That's how you obtain the gradient of a straight line. So this thing here, you should know that this thing here equals tan the angle. This is something we've done before. It's very important. You would encounter this a lot. So I'm expecting you to know that sine theta over cos theta equals tan. So this is our gradient here. So the equation of our line would be tan theta times x. But I'm going to write it as this: x tan theta. So it's one block times another block. This is your final answer. The equation of this straight line going through the origin for a given angle is x tan theta. Okay?